Have you ever wished to live a long, healthy, and peaceful life? What if I told you that the secret to longevity is already on your plate? It's not magic. It's not fate. It's the food you choose every single day. Let's talk about what you should eat if you want to live longer. First, walnuts. Just a handful a day can protect your heart, sharpen your brain, and even improve your mood. Next, extra virgin olive oil. This isn't just a cooking ingredient. It's a lifesaver. It keeps your arteries clear and your heart strong. And don't forget leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale. They're loaded with antioxidants that fight aging from the inside out. Now let's talk fruits. Pomegranates, rich in antioxidants, protect your heart. Blueberries are small but powerful, supporting your brain and memory. And the good old apple. Yes, an apple a day can do more than keep the doctor away. It may even delay aging, but here's the truth most people ignore. It's not just about what you eat, it's about what you don't eat. Refined sugar, processed snacks, and deep-fried junk are silent killers. They may taste good, but they steal your energy and your years. So if you truly want a longer, healthier life, start today. Choose natural. Choose smart. Choose life. Your future self will thank you. If this video gave you something to think about, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple but powerful health wisdom.